Hi, we are Team MC Squared, team number 53098, and this is our video about our new Bubba Shredder.
These are the materials used as a checklist throughout the video. The pieces on the side were made before starting this video, but they are simple steps. Put the flat spacers in between the half-inch washers. Put the round spacers inside the holes of the CT bearings. As you see here, shove the nuts in the holes. We had to shave them so they would be rounded and would fit. We also used a clamper to push the nut in. Take your longer shaft, put on one bearing. Put the sharper side facing downwards. Then add another bearing. Make sure you screw them on very well. Take your shorter shaft, put one bearing on, then your washer. This time sharp part facing upwards. Lastly, the other bearing. We had a small mistake with the height on the taller piece, so we had to take it apart and redo it. Skip to 3:03 and on the video to get to see the final faster. Ta-da! There it is. Please like and subscribe. Your support is appreciated.